In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add music to CapCut on PC. So you can see first I import a video. It's my own video. Now click on audio. So here are the lots of free audio you can use right now. Again purpose, I want to download this one and drag and drop it is second timeline. It's called like so drag and drop on here. So this is the first method. Now I have others option you can download and upload on this CapCut easy way. So just click on import, then select a video, then click on open. So you can doing drag and drop which one you want to add, just drag and drop here. So number two option you can upload and input on your own music, then just drag and drop at second timeline. So if I play this, so you can see it's already added to this video. Otherwise if I delete this video, so if you want to add only music, so and this is same way you can drag and drop on here. That's it. So if you found this video helpful, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.